All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Booze and Hacking. I'm your host, Dark Hoodie. We're back with another TryHackMe room. This one is called Disgruntled. It says, use your Linux forensics knowledge to investigate an incident. So we're going to be doing some blue teaming this time around. Let's take a look. I've got my IP address running. And we have a series of questions. I've gone through the introduction here. Basically, I've SSH'd into this VM. And it's telling me to get coffee, but we're not going to get coffee because we're going to talk about what we are drinking. This is Pantalones Tequila, or as my friends like to say, tequila. This is a great tequila. First of all, and most importantly, it is 100% agave. So if you are trying to watch your sugar, like I am, you want 100% agave because agave is a sugar that is not absorbed by our systems. So basically, you're just drinking tequila and you're not getting all that added sugar. And it's very smooth. I pour it over ice, and it goes down really nicely. So if you're in the mood for a drink, pour yourself something. Let's get into the room. We have a series of questions to answer. They have provided us with a Linux forensics cheat sheet here. I did download this. I didn't pull it up. But I am. So here it is. We'll keep this handy. Who knows? I don't know everything. So, but who does? Besides my wife. All right. So I'm going to click complete here. Here's the machine our disgruntled IT user last worked on. Check if there's anything our client needs to be worried about. My advice, look at the privilege commands that were run that should get you started. The user installed a package on the machine using elevated privileges. According to the logs, what is the full command? So let's get back to our terminal here. We're in the machine, so let's look for the logs. And let's have a look in here. Auth log is what we are looking for. So let's cat auth.log pipe grep install. We're going to look to see what is in here that he may have installed. It looks like, let's see, I see there's an install.php. There's also this doku wiki. The command, here we go, install doku wiki, I think is what we're looking for. And this is the path, home cyber user. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the answer to our first question. So I'm going to copy that, go back to our room here, see if it'll take this. Oh. So now I'm going to eliminate this part. See if this is what we need to do. All right, that's the first one. What was the present working directory when the previous command was run? So let's go back to our terminal. And this is what was the present working directory. All right, so far so good. Let's see if you did anything bad. Keep going. Our disgruntled IT was supposed to only install a service on this computer, so look for commands that are unrelated to that. Which user was created after the package from the previous task was installed? All right, well, let's go back to our terminal. And this time, we're going to cat auth-log again, pipe, and we're going to grep add user because that's what we're looking for. It looks like the user was it-admin. User root, add user, it-admin. So let's go ahead and copy that. All right. The user was then later given sudo privileges. When was the sudoers file updated? I'm going to take the hint here. The vsudo is called when editing etc sudoers file. Look for the command in this log. Back to our terminal here. I am going to guess that this was the date and the time. Sudo, right? That's when were they given sudo privileges? So we're looking at December 28, I believe. I'm going to copy this here. Uh-oh, I got it wrong. So let's see. Make this a little bigger. Well, vsudo. Let's see. So we have, this has got to be it. Because this last one here is December 28th. So I'm going to copy this. Let's give this a shot here. All right, sweet. We're on the right track. A script file was opened using the VI text editor. What is the name of this file? So let's try that grep command again. it only says a script. Let's do VI. And here we have it, bomb.sh. Okay, on to task 5. That bomb.sh file is a huge red flag. It sure is. It's a script. While a file is already incriminating in itself, we still need to find out where it came from and what it contains. The problem is that the file does not exist anymore. What is the command used that created the file bomb.sh? Did I have that here already? I wonder if this is it. Maybe I have this already. Could that be it? Nope. Let's look at this hint here. The command was run by a different user account. Look at the bash history found in the user's home directory. Well, I am going to cat auth.log again. There's a lot going on here. So what was our hint? So we're looking for a different user account. Look at bash history. The pass, okay. My question again. The command that created bomb.sh. There's vsudo cybert. Oh, there it is. Here we go. USR bin VI. It's got to be it. Bomb.sh. Let's copy this. Oh, still nothing, huh? This looks like it's a long one, so maybe it's this entire string here. Worth a shot. Nope, still nothing. Let's try. Oh, what am I getting wrong here? There's a lot of dot 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 this, dot 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 that. Let's see. Maybe since it's under bash history, let's see what's in here. I have to find bash.history. Okay. I'm sure he did it under this IT admin. Oh, there's bash.history. Oh, that's got to be it. Just copy that. Bam. There we go. The file was renamed and moved to a different directory. What is the full path of this file now? The VI text editor can edit and save files to different locations. Check out the history of VI by looking at viminfo.viminfo. So let's cat.viminfo. I think this is probably it. They probably changed it to update.sh. That is my guess. Save as bin. Yep, that's got to be it. When was the file from the previous question last modified? Go to the file location and use the ls space full-time command. All right. So bin, so we're going to go cd to bin os bin os-update. There it is. Okay. Now I have to run this command, and I'm going to use this. And I'm going to copy it right from here. os-update, and I see here 12/28/2022. So December 28, hours and minutes. All right. What is the name of the file that will get created when the file from the first question executes? Open the malicious file and figure out the answer from the code. All right, well, let's cat os That's funny. Initial change from 30-day IT admin, output, echo, I told you you'll regret this, good riddance, ha ha ha, Mr. Meister. And it looks like goodbye.txt is the file that gets created. Yeah, I kind of know how this admin feels. Sweet. Task number 6. So we have a file and a motive. The question we now have is, how will this file be executed? Surely he wants to execute at some point. At what time will the malicious file trigger? Looks like 90 days. In 90 days it'll trigger. I'm guessing it's 90 days. Hours, minutes, AM, PM. I'm going to look at the hint. Check out the cron tab. And convert the schedule expression using a site like, I've never used that before. Okay. So let's copy this. Okay. Now is the cron tab in here? If not, then I have to find it, and it is not in here. Alright, I gotta find cron tab. I have to find the cron tab. I think. Let's see, Etsy password, Etsy group, Etsy sudoers, cds/Etsy/. I'm going to try this first. Oh, there it is, cron tab. Alright, back in 1 second. I think I just heard my doorbell. My daughter was at the door. Anyway, alright, so we're back. And so now we are looking at, I catted out the cron tab, and here is our evidence. But what was our question again? It was asking me, what time will the malicious file trigger? So I think if I look at the terminal again, it says minutes, hours here. Now I've never used this cron guru before, so I'm going to try this out. This is kind of cool, actually. 5.4, and then you add in. So now let's go back to the terminal. I'm going to copy all of these. So, oh, look at that. It says at 8. So I'm going to copy. That's pretty cool. Never used that before. Oh, I think it wants even seconds here, so I better copy this one. Nope. Huh. Oh, that's what that was. It wants AM or PM. I'm going to assume it's military time. So I'm going to say AM. I'm going to go back here. Sweet. All right. And I think we are done. Thanks to you, we have a good idea of what our disgruntled IT person was. And look at you, second day on the job, and you've solved 2 cases. Tell Sophie I have to give you a raise. Please, of course. All right. And with that, we are done. So if you had a good time with this room today, I would encourage you to please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in the next room. Until then, bottoms up and hack the planet.